Infinix 43Y1 Full HD Smart TV. Transsion Group has launched Infinix 43Y1 Smart TV in India as it had promised. It comes with a 43-inch Full HD LED display, delivering up to 300 nits of peak brightness. Even though it is a smart TV, it runs Linux, but the company says that it has popular inbuilt OTT apps like Prime Video, Sony Live, ZEE5, Eros Now and more. It has 20W box speakers with Dolby Audio. The TV supports screen mirroring and has numerous connectivity options. The TV remote comes with 2 hotkeys with one-click assistance to YouTube and Prime Video. Infinix 43Y1 Full HD Smart TV specifications: 43-inch, 1920x1080 pixels, Full HD display, up to 300 nits brightness, 178-degree viewing angle, HLG. Quad-core processor with Mali G31 GPU, 4GB storage. Linux with YouTube, Prime Video, ZEE5, Aaj Tak, Sony Live, Eros Now, Hungama, Plex, Yup TV. Wi-Fi, 2x HDMI, 1 ARC support, 2x USB ports, 1 RF input, 1 AV input, 1 headphone jack, 1 coax out, LAN. 20W 2x10 watts speakers, Dolby Audio. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.